Thank you for your time today. We're here to talk about a fundamental shift in how creative content is produced using Google's suite of generative media models on the Vertex AI platform. This is about you helping you bring your wildest ideas to life at the speed of your imagination. This isn't just a tagline, it's our core promise. For decades, creative production has been a trade off between speed, cost, and quality. With the generative AI models we've built on Google Cloud, that paradigm is changing. We want to empower your teams to close the gap between a creative spark and a finished asset, allowing for true creative velocity. And this velocity is more critical now than ever. The market demands it. Consumers expect brands to understand their unique needs, which requires a huge volume of personalized content. At the same time, video is projected to dominate internet traffic, and marketers need up to 10 times more creative variations for every single campaign to cut through the noise. So, if AI is the answer, why isn't it scaling for the enterprise today? We've talked to hundreds of companies, and the challenges with existing tools are consistent. First, IP and safety risks. When you use consumer grade tools, you have no control over where your brand concepts or your proprietary data go, and the safety filters are often a black box, exposing your brands to risk. Second, lack of quality. Models that produce unrealistic or unusable assets waste your creators' time and increase operational costs. If you have to generate multiple versions, you're not saving time, you're just creating new bottlenecks. Finally, lack of enterprise readiness. Most tools are disconnected from your CRM and product catalogs, making it true data driven personalization impossible. Only Google Cloud holistically solves these enterprise challenges, allowing you to generate content with quality, confidence, and control. We provide enterprise grade safety and governance that is not a black box. You get full copyright indemnity for the content you create, you control your data, and you can configure safety filters to match your brand's specific standards. Our commitment to responsible AI is verifiable. The true power is connecting creative AI to your entire enterprise. Google Cloud is the single place where your data, analytics, and creative workflows unite. We call this the creative infrastructure. This isn't just about a linear workflow, it's a powerful feedback loop that gets smarter over time. And this is our core differentiator because it's only possible when your data, AI, and activation channels are all on a unified platform. Let me walk you through one turn of this loop. It starts with insight. Using tools like BigQuery and Looker, you analyze your business data to understand what different customer segments are responding to right now. Based on those insights, you connect that data to Vertex AI to create thousands of personalized ads, images, videos at scales, all tailored to each specific audience segment. Next, you activate that content across all of your channels, whether it's Google Ads, your social platforms, or your digital displays in your stores. But it doesn't stop there. You then measure the performance of each individual asset. You can A B test in real time. You can figure out what's getting the most engagement, find out what resonates. And here's the most important part: performance data. What works, what doesn't work, flows back directly into your data platform. The loop closes. The next round of analysis is now richer and more defined. On Vertex AI, we offer a complete suite of foundation models for professional quality content creation. This includes VO3 for video, Imagen 4 for images, and Lyria 2 and Chirp for sound and voice. Let's dive into what makes these models different. VO3 introduces capabilities that were previously science fiction. For the first time, you can generate synchronized audio and video in a single pass. This means characters can speak dialogue in multiple languages with realistic lip sync, all generated at the same time as the video. It understands physics based realism, so water ripples correctly and shadows fall naturally, making scenes much more immersive. This enables localization at scale. And imagine creating one global campaign and instantly generating versions for dozens of markets with native dialogue. And it has superior prompt adherence, meaning the model is much better at understanding long, complex prompts. This gives your creators fine grained control. Let's start with video, powered by VO3. This is our flagship state of the art text to video model and soon image to video model. It's a leap forward in cinematic quality. VO gives your creative teams incredible control. You can add or remove objects from a scene, apply a consistent visual style, dictate precise camera movements like dollying or aerial shots, and use outpainting to expand the world beyond the original frame. But the real breakthroughs are on the next slide. And this technology is already delivering incredible results. This ad for Kelce aired during the NBA Finals. It was generated by one person in just a few days. While it took 300 to 400 generations to get the 15 usable clips they needed, the final cost was just $2,000, a 95% reduction compared to a traditional ad shoot. With the quality improvements in VO3, this process becomes even more efficient. For images, Imagen 4 delivers studio grade on brand visuals for any channel. It excels at generating photorealistic images with correct lighting, and it understands complex prompts for composition and detail. Go from brief to campaign visuals in minutes, generating images in photorealistic quality with flawless text rendering. You can also swap backgrounds, remove objects, or restyle. With Lyria 2, you can compose original music on demand. From an orchestral score to ambient electronic music, you can create the perfect soundtrack to match the mood of your brand. And Chirp provides natural emotive narration in over 30 languages, allowing you to give your voice to your campaigns in any market you operate in. You can generate brand voice from just 10 seconds of audio and dub video content without losing the original tone. Now, let's look at how these models come together to solve real business problems. The first and most obvious use case is promotional content. You can instantly generate an entire social media campaign with dozens of video and image variations to showcase your products in new and engaging ways that capture audience attention and drive sales. Product placement becomes incredibly easy. This is great for e commerce, where you can power virtual try on experiences or create shop the look scenes using items directly from your product catalog, helping customers visualize how products fit into their lives. You can also use tools for catalog enrichment. Take your existing product catalog, enhance it with higher quality images, better descriptions, and even showcase videos generated automatically from your data. This is about making your existing assets work harder for you to better inform and engage your customers. Next, product visual assets. Think about your standard product photo shoot. It's expensive and time consuming. Using these models, you can take a single product shot and instantly create thousands of variations for A B testing, different campaign aesthetics, or new product concepts, all without a physical photo shoot. But where this becomes truly transformational is personalization at scale. This is the one to many story. Don't just create one ad, create thousands. With our generative media models, you can automatically generate countless variations of a single creative tailored to different geographies, store locations, or even customer segments. You can take one scooter and show it near a European coastal city for a customer interested in surfing, or a geography for a customer interested in tech, all generated from the same core asset and prompt template. This is mass personalization made efficient and affordable. Major brands are already seeing massive value. Kraft Heinz is using Google Cloud's generative AI to accelerate and personalize their marketing content. Look at variations here. They can instantly tailor their creative for New York, Los Angeles, Texas. The results are staggering: a 50% reduction in turnaround for new concepts and an 86% reduction in new time to market for new products in their pipeline. This is the creative velocity we're talking about. So, our proposed next step is simple. Let's schedule a personalized workshop for your business using your brand and your assets. We can take one of your products or campaigns and, in a hands on session, show you exactly how generative AI models on Vertex AI can help transform your creative workflow. What do you think?